everyone, welcome today. And I hear a lot of noise from the neighbors. They are working and decorating and moving the furniture, so it's very noisy today. Yes, today in today's newspaper of Wednesday, December the 16th, we have here 8 extra Sudokus, and I've already made or solved one. And the second one I will continue will be a 4-star Sudoku, and this will be number 2022. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, I have already counted. Again, the publisher have printed here 25 printed digits. Usually in old days 24, but I do not know why the publisher have the same amount of 25, the same amount as the 3 stars Sudoku. So, is this a 3-star Sudoku or a 4-star Sudoku? I do not know. So, let's get started. 8 in this column, last column, 8 in that column. So the column between, only place for the 8 should be there. In this column, 5 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 3 and the 4. We have a 3 and a 4 in this big square, so no 3 and a 4 in those 3 boxes. So the 3 and the 4 goes in these 2 boxes. The 3 and the 4. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see there 6, no 6 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 6 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 9 and 5, 9 and 5. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. How about the 7 in this column? 7 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for 7 should be there. 2 numbers left in this column. For the numbers 1 and 4, I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. And then we have a 3 in this row, 3 in the second row, so the row below the third row. The only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here. 3 in this row, 3 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place for a 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see digit number 1. Then 3 missing numbers here. The 2 is missing, the 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 256, 256, 256. We see here 2, we see there 2, so no 2s in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 2 should be there. The 5 and the 6 are left. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 1 and 9. 1 and 9, we see there 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 9 goes there. And these 2 numbers in this big square. Here we have a pair, 1 and a 4. So the other pair should be the 2 and the 5. We have that 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 2 goes there. Alright. And now we need, we have a pair. 9 and a 1 in this row, 9 and a 1 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, only 2 places for the 9 and the 1 should be in these 2 boxes. Let me mark those. That means the other pair in the second row should be the numbers 6 and the 8. 6 and the 8. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. Let me mark those. 6 and the 8. Alright, so we have a 5 in this row, 5 in the second row, so the row below, the only place for 5 should be there. 2 boxes left in this third row for the numbers 4 and 7. 4 and 7, we see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 8. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 7. We see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here, and the 4 goes there. So we have a 2 in this column, 2 in the second column. So on the third column, only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 4 in this column, 4 in the second column. So on the third column, the only place for a 4 should be here. Now we have a 4 here, so this cannot be 4 anymore. This should be the 4, and this should be a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 is missing and the 7 is missing. We see here 7 in this big square, so no 7 in this box. The 7 should be in that box. 1 box left in this row for the number 6. Now we have a 6 here, so this cannot be 6 anymore. This should be the 6, and this should be an 8. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. Then we have a 4 in this row, 4 in the last row, so on the row between. Only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so the column next. Only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. Then 5 in this row, 5 in that row, so the row between the middle row. The only place for 5 should be there. Then we cannot continue. Alright, let me see. How about these 2 numbers in the middle row? For the numbers 1 and 8. 1 and 8. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Now we have a 1 here, so this can't be 1 anymore. This should be a 1, and this should be a 9. 1 in this column, 1 in that column, the first column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We see here 1, no 1 in these 3 boxes. There 1, no 1 in those 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 2 boxes left for the numbers 2 and 7. 2 and 7 in the middle column, 2 and a 7. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square, the 1 and the 8. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here, and the 8 goes there. One number left in this column for the number 8. 8 in the first column, 8 in the second column, so the third column. The only 3 places for the 8 should be here, here, or there. We see here an 8, no 8 there. Here an 8, no 8 there. The only place for an 8 should be there. Yes. Now we have 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers 9 and 7. 9 and 7, we see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 5 and 6. 5 and 6, and look, we have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square, the 6 and the 9. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square, the 9 and the 5. Now we have a 5 there, so no 5 here. 5 should be here, and 9 goes there. 1 number left in this row for the number 3. 1 number left in the row below. This should be the number 2. 2 is missing, and the final number of this big square for the number 9. Yes, finish in 11 minutes. I don't believe this. It's quicker and quicker for the 4-star Sudoku. So is it really a 4-star Sudoku? I do not think so, but I like this Sudoku very much. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe and hit that bell button or bell icon, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel in the future. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. See you later with the tectonic and the binary. Bye bye for now. I have a break, so see you later.